Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Today we are going to be doing 2-strand twist on my hair with extensions, and these are the products that I'll be using for my moisturizer and my braid gel. For my extensions, I will be using this particular brand right here. I did get it off of Amazon, so I'll be sure to include that in the description box for you all. Now, as you can see, I did go ahead and pre-part my hair. It took me about 2 hours to pre-part my hair, but I figured this would be much easier for me to get this done and be prepared once I start to twist. My style inspiration came from Jo Michelle on YouTube. I'll be sure to link her video below. She did a 2-strand twist on her hair and she added the same extensions and used the same products, and her results were amazing. So I figured that I would go ahead and give it a try myself. As you can see, I am using the crochet method. This is my very first time using a crochet needle, and I found it to be very easy. Now, it took me about maybe 1 to 2 rows before I just really got the hang of it. If you try this style, you will have a little bit of a learning curve, but just stay patient. Once you do about 5 or 6 of them, you're good to go and you'll be an expert. Now, throughout this video, you'll see me adding some of that leave-in cream just to make sure that the hair is moisturized, my hair specifically, and to help soften the Afro kinky hair itself. I'm also using that shine gel that I showed earlier just to kind of keep some of my strays at bay and in the twist, but you always are going to be twisting right over left when it comes to 2-strand twists. Remember that, right over left, because if you go the opposite direction, your twist will not stay. Again, this was such an easy style. It took me about 2 hours to pre-part my hair. And for the style itself, once I got started, it only took about 4 hours for me to crochet, add the extensions, and twist my full head. Now, as you see here, I also got this trick here from Jo Michelle. I wanted to have a bob for my hair, so I did a small Bantu knot on certain parts of the hair just to ensure that I get that length that I wanted without having to actually have short hair. So if you have long hair and you're looking to have a bob style for the summer, this is such a cute and easy method to get that. And people really can't tell that you have Bantu knots at the bottom of your twist. For the back of my hair, I did cut the hair in half because the back of my hair is shorter. Once I started getting up into the midsection into my front, I did not cut the hair at all. I did keep it as long as possible, and then just to make sure that I got the length that I wanted, I either cut it at the end of the twist or use that Bantu knot method that I showed you all earlier. Sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the video, as I will just be showing you some of the process of me installing the hair and twisting it. Here are my final results. I absolutely love it. I got the perfect bob that I was looking for, and this is going to be so easy for me to just take care of and wear. I do want to wear this for at least about 3 weeks, and then with the pre-parting, once I wash it, I can keep those parts and just redo this. Make sure that you check this style out and try it on yourself if you haven't already. The products were easy to work with. The twists came out juicy, bouncy, and they are shiny. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming to you with more protective styles for your summer maintenance. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you next time.